Hello everyone, welcome to Genius Tutorials. So today in this session we are going to continue our geometry series, and in this session we are going to take that how can we calculate a length of in radius of a circle inscribed in a rhombus. So basically what is given to us, the length of two diagonals of a rhombus is given to us, and we need to calculate length of in radius. Let us say that length of two diagonals is, you can say, 12 and 16 centimeter each. Okay, so length of two diagonals is given to us 12 and 16 centimeter. What we need to calculate? We need to calculate in radius. So we can say that length of in radius will be 4.8 centimeter. Yes, exactly. This much is the time you need to calculate all this. Okay, and how can we calculate this in radius? We will understand in this session. But before going to start the session, do subscribe to our YouTube channel for more coming sessions. Okay, so let's start with this session. Okay, so now let us consider that length of two diagonals is, you can take any value. Let us say that length of two diagonals is 2a and 2b, and we know that diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angles. That means AO will be A and OB will be B. Okay, so if they intersect at a right angle, they bisect each other at right angle, that means this is A and this is A, this is B and this is B. Okay, so what will be the length of AB? Using Pythagoras theorem, we can say AB will be equal to under root of A square plus B square. Okay, and if I join this AP, this will be also 90-degree angle. Reason being that radius is always perpendicular to tangent. Radius is perpendicular to tangent, we know this. So we can do one thing, we can say that area of triangle AOB, it will be equal to half into A into B, as well as it will be equal to half into AB into this small r, because this OP will be small r, and this is required to calculate. Small r is in radius here. If I cancel this 1 by 2 by 1 by 2, we can say small r will be equal to AB upon this capital AB. So A into B upon under root of A square plus B. So this is required expression for calculating in radius in a rhombus. You can calculate in radius in a rhombus this way, AB upon under root of A square plus B square. So this will be the length of in radius. But you have to remember that here A and B are not diagonals, they will be the semi-diagonals, or you can say half of the diagonal. But in terms of diagonal, if you want to calculate in terms of diagonals, we can say that in radius is equal to D1 into D2 upon 2 times of under root D1 square plus D2 square, and that's how we have calculated in radius in case of that question in which diagonals are of length 12 centimeter and 16 centimeter. So R will be equal to 12 into 16 upon 2 into under root of 144 plus 256. So it will be 4.8. You just calculate this, you will get the same answer. So this is one formula to calculate in radius of a rhombus. And one more thing, we can say that if side of, let us say the side of rhombus is x, we can also conclude it this way, that half into AB, this will be equal to half into Rx. That means we can say that this R is equal to AB upon X. If side is also given to us, we can do it this way. So basically what we can conclude out of it, that we have two formulas for calculating in radius. One is if diagonals are given as d1 and d2 and half of this d1 and d2 is a and b. Okay, so that means here a is d1 by 2 and b is d2 by 2. So we can calculate in radius by d1 into d2 upon 2 into under root of d1 square plus d2 square, or we can calculate r is equal to ab upon x, where x is nothing but side of rhombus. Okay, so I hope now this is quite simple to you. So now what you have to do, you have to tell me answer for this question. The question is, you have to find n radius of a circle inscribed in a rhombus with diagonals of length 10 centimeter and 24 centimeter. Try this question and give your answer in comment box below. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the session and we will come up with more such sessions. Thank you so much.